Easy PC build. Step 1. Install the CPU into the motherboard. Be careful not to damage your pins. Then install the RAM into the RAM slots. If you have 2 RAM sticks, install them into the 2nd and 4th slots on your motherboard. Now install your SSD into your M.2 slot and secure it the screw. After that, install the CPU fan onto the CPU. Don't forget your thermal paste. Now install the motherboard into your case. Then secure it with the included screws. Take your power supply and install it into your case and secure it with the screws. Then connect the 24-pin cable and the CPU power cable to the motherboard. Now install the GPU into the PCIe slot and secure it to the case with the screws and plug the PCIe power cable into your graphics card to power it. Now you are ready. Subscribe.